Meaning of frosted.
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 Frosted. The term frosted typically refers to a surface that has been coated with a layer of fine ice crystals or a powdery substance that gives the appearance of being covered in frost. This effect can be achieved artificially through various techniques, such as sandblasting or chemical etching on glass or metal surfaces. The result of frosting is a soft, muted appearance that can create a sense of texture and depth. Frosted surfaces are often used in interior design, packaging, and advertising to give a subtle, elegant look. Overall, frosted suggests a delicate, decorative quality that evokes the chill of winter.